Welcome. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you to Guiding Ohio Online for allowing us to bring these resources to you. Today I'm going to share with you a little bit how the library catalog works and how you have all this information right at the tip of your fingers. So as you can see here, this is the main screen to the library website, and the library address is salem.lib.oh.us. Right here on the main page, if you go up here to the top where it says materials, if you just hover over that, you'll see some options. So I'm going to talk about the catalog. So let's go ahead and click the catalog. When it comes up, it looks like this. You have the option to automatically sign in here. If you sign into your account, if you were to click that, you put in your barcode or a username that you have, and then your password to be able to log in. And when you log in, it will save the information to your account. The other option up here at the top, it says branch. If you click on that branch, because we have plus, that means that you can look at other information from other libraries like Columbiana, East Palestine, Leper Library, Digital Resources, Art Library, and Wellsville. So if I were to click on that, it will take me right to those libraries, and I can search their catalog just the same as searching the Salem Library catalog. So let's go ahead and look at the library information across the top here. With the library information, if you click that, it takes you to the portal, which is this main screen that we're on. It gives you the hours of the library, the website, and you also have the option to ask us. So if you have a question, you will log in here with your library card and your password and click log in. You can also use the guest button and put the information here on it. If you put your name, email, and if you have a question, you can ask it here and then just click send. And then someone from the library will get back with you to answer your question. So that is all that's under the library info. If you go to the search, there are several ways that you can search right here. So let's pick keyword first. And what it will do, it will search the library system to see what is available. As you can see down the left-hand side, if you don't already have a card, you can easily get a card. You're just going to click get a card, and then you are going to fill out the information to be able to get a card. So let me go ahead and go back. And then if you want to look at our ebooks and audiobooks, you can also go to Overdrive and Hoopla right here on the website, and same thing. You can sign up for your digital card if you don't have one. If you already have one, you just click that and you click sign in. So you would sign into the library, and it's step by step, so it's very easy to follow to be able to fill out that information. And that one is for Overdrive. Say you want to do Hoopla, you would click on Hoopla. Same thing, you will come to the screen for Hoopla. You log in with your email and password, and you can look at everything that is on Hoopla that you can rent for free. Also, on the left-hand side, there are a lot of new books that come into the library, and they're featured on the left-hand side. So if you're looking for a new book that has come in, you can just click it, and it will show you the new books that are in the library for you to check out. And it'll tell here if they're available. You can do a full display, and you can even request a hold for that if you want it. And if that book is available somewhere else, say the Salem did not have it and someone else had it, you could get it from them instead, since we're with the plus. So let's go back to the actual search with the keyword. So we'll go to the keyword, and I'm just going to put in dogs. It's very general. As you can see, it came up 6,000 searches. So I want to narrow that down just a little bit, and what you can do is where it says any field here, you can determine whether dogs is in the title, the author, the subject, and all of these different things down here. So let's say in the title. And I don't want all formats. I just want a large print book. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to hit the search button, and then it narrows it down to 25. So then you can see the book. So say this is the one I want. It says it's available, and it tells the type of book that it is, and it tells that it is in, and here is the call number where it's available. You can even see the full display that tells all the information about the book itself and where it's found. This one is the large print at the Leper Library, and that's where I can find that book. And then you just return back to your list, and you can change these things. Say you want a DVD instead of a book, you can change it to DVD and search, and it will search the DVDs that are available. As you can see, it shows the ones that are available. Then you can add it to your list. If you want to make a list, you can add it to a list to be able to keep track of what you have. And if you look over here on the left-hand side, here is the list of what I started, and the video is right here, Dogs 101. So if we decide to change our search to a different type, let's go to Browse. And we're going to look for, let's look for a title. And I'm going to type in The Mockingjay. I hit search, and it will tell me all of the things that The Mockingjay comes up. It's a large print. It could be an ebook, and let's click on one so we can see it. And it brings up the actual information from that so you can see. So you can change all of these things by that. So it makes it nice to search. You can search by phrase, exact words, a Boolean search, or e-sources. So you have a lot of ability to search. Here is the information about your account. Once you are logged in, you can see your record. You can see items you have checked out. You can see items you have on request to rent, if you have fine or fee, if you have claimed and lost, anything that you saved on your search, your list, all of that is under your account here. So if you need a little bit more help and you're not sure where to go, you can go to the help button, and it's very nice because it will walk you through information on how to do different things within your account. So if you're not sure what something is, or you don't understand, right here in the help, it gives you a lot of great information to figure that out. Right there, as you can see, it's pretty extensive. So it's pretty user-friendly, and it is it has a lot of options for you, whether you're looking for something in print or whether you're looking for something digital. You can do it all right here through the library catalog in the main thing. And right here at the beginning, the very first page, it has the quick library search, and that's not something I've touched on yet, but if you're looking for something by subject, you could type it in here and just click subject, and it'll take you right to it. And another nice thing about this page, the main page, is it has pictures of the outside of the books that are new, that have come into the library, that are available for you to rent. Or to check out. So like if you maybe you know what the front of the book looks like, but you couldn't remember the title, this would be a great way to sort through them also. You could just click right on it and it'll bring it up and give you the information about the book. And some of them even have previews available that you can click, that you can see what the book looks like to read. So that's kind of nice too. So I hope this information has helped you to be able to sort through the library catalog a little bit better. Check it out. There's a lot of great digital resources available for you for free. And also check out some of our videos on the Salem Public Library, Ohio YouTube page. There's some on there about checking out digital resources from the library and some other tech help. So have a great day. Thanks.